Hello children, in the last class we have dealt with unit 8 who ate our lunch, isn't it? And in today's class we will be doing the exercises of this lesson. Okay, so this say yes or no, one is done for you. This one and these question answers I will send as PDF. You look into it and write. Okay, because for this yes or no also we have to write a sentence in front of it. There is no place here to write, so I will send it by PDF only. Okay, now move on to page number 97. See here, choose the correct word from the brackets and fill in the blanks. One is done for you. Arun and Rohit took their dash with them. Option is books and lunch. They had been to swimming pool, say, so they have taken their lunch, not books. So we have written here lunch. Now, next one is dash was Rohit's favorite. Chicken sandwich or samosa? Yes, it is chicken sandwich. You write here. Chicken sandwich. Okay, third one. The pool manager watched the boys swimming from his office. FICE, office. Okay, next one. A dash ate the boys' lunch. Goat, dog. Yes, it is goat. GOAT, goat. Got it all of you? Now, see, write two new words replacing the first letter of each word given below. One is done for you. So, first letter of the word is there, no? This alphabet we have to remove and write other alphabet and make a word. Like, see, POOL, pool is there. P is removed and C is added, it will become COOL, pool. C is removed and W is added, it becomes WOOL, wool. Isn't it? Similarly, we will also try to make different words over here. See here, first one. LUNCH, lunch. BUNCH, bunch. MUNCH, munch. Okay, L tagadu, illi B hakivi, illi M hakivi. Got it? Now, DEEP, deep. So, we will remove this deep and write JEEP, jeep. BEEP, beep. We have removed D and written J and B. Okay. Meaningful word only. What words we use, such words only should be there. Simply don't write MEEP, meep, K, we can write KEEP, keep also. Okay. Words which are there, which we use, that one only you have to write. Got it? Now, next one. Watch. W you remove and write M, it will become match. Okay. And you remove W and write C, it will become CATCH, catch. Okay. BIT, bit. We will remove B and write yes, it will be SIT, sit. You remove B and write P, it will be PIT, pit. Got it? Okay. Now, next one. Give a name to each group of words. One is done for you. See here. Clothes, furniture, stationery, fruits, animals, all these are there. So, we like, first one is done. See here. Fruits. Apple, banana, orange, guava. Okay. See this one. Chair, cupboard, bed, table. All these are furnitures, isn't it? So we will write here. Otherwise we can write here upside also. Furniture. Okay. Now you put a line so that there will be no confusion. Next. Skirt, blouse, shirt, frock. All these are clothes, isn't it? So this clothes, furniture is done already. CLOTHES, clothes. This one, pencil, sharpener, scale, eraser. These are all stationery. STATIONERY, stationery. Fine. And the last one is very easy. Horse, lion, elephant, cat. All these are animals. ANIMALS, animals. And these fruits we have already done in the starting only. It is given. It is apple, banana, orange, guava. Got it, all of you? Now turn to page number 98. Page number 98. We have write the words for more than one. A samosa. If more are there, two are there, we will write samosas. Isn't it? Then a glass of water. Many glasses of water. ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಎ ಹೌಸ್. ಮೆನಿ HOUSES, houses. A spoon of sugar. 3 spoons of sugar. This is singular. Samosa. This is plural. Samosas. Glass, glasses. House, houses. Spoon, spoons. Okay. Now see next one. Read the following passage. You will see how Rohit's mother makes fruit salad. This is the recipe of fruit salad. Fruit salad ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಬ್, ಕ್ರಿಯೆ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಸೂಚಿಸುವ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಶೋ the work. Such words are called action words. Okay, we have to underline such words. See here, Rohit's mother cut the fruits into small pieces. She put the pieces in a bowl. So put is a action word. And added some sugar. Added is again a action word. She mixed it with. Mixed is an action word. It with a spoon and poured a teaspoon of honey on it. She served the fruit salad in small bowls. Served, ಹಾಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ served ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. That is an action word again. Okay, so now what we have to do is, now write all the action words you have underlined. See how many action words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 action words are there, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dashes are there. You write all these words over here. Okay, shall we write? Start writing. First one is CUT, cut. Then next one is PUT, put. Next one is ADDED, added. Next is MIXED, mixed. Next is POURED, poured. Last one is SERVED, serve. Like this you have tried all the action words in the place given. Okay, now move to page number 99. See here on page number 99, what we have to do is answer the following questions using the clues in the table given below. Here a table is given. No, looking at this table, we will have to answer all these questions. Okay. What did Priya have? So see, Priya, what she had? She had chapati, vegetables. So we will write here a chapati some vegetables. Okay, this is what Priya has. Now, who had rice and a chapati? Who had rice and a chapati? See, who had now rice? Only Varun is having. So Varun is having chapati also. Yes. So who had rice and a chapati? It is Varun. In this table, no, see different food items and snacks are written here, names, and here names of people are written. Who is having what, they have put tick for that. Got it? So we will just have to write the answers for these questions. What did Neeta have? See, Neeta, what she is having? An orange drink and a chapati. We will write that here. An orange drink and a chapati. Okay, now who had only an orange drink? Only orange drink. See, orange drink is here, no? Who had only? Priyantu Ilela. Varun had, but he is having chapati and rice also. Neeta is having orange drink, but she is having chapati also. And Robert is having only orange drink. Nothing else he has. So we will write here Robert. Got it? Now, next one. Pick the first letter from each word to get the names of 4 fruits. Say the word aloud. What we have to do? First letter of each word we have to take and write in this box, and we will get a fruit name. We will see. P E A R. P E A R. Pear. Pear is the name of fruit, isn't it? Now next. M E L O N. Melon. M E L O N. Melon. It is the name of the fruit, isn't it? Next one. G R A P E S. Grapes. See here. G R A P E S. Grapes is also name of fruit. You all know that, isn't it? Now the last one. M A N G O. Mango. M A N G O. Mango. This is the name of the fruit which we get in summer, and that is very famous fruit, isn't it? Okay, this is the end of the lesson, and you all look into the link which I am sending now. The same link only, same explanation, and complete all these exercises which I have done just now. In the next class we will be doing the poem August Afternoon. Okay children, bye for now. See you in the next class.